wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best toiletry organizers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Stand out among other campers or college roommates with the Everest Deluxe, which comes in a playful polka dot pattern, or opt for the simple black model if that's more your style. Its main compartment opens up wide for quick accessibility to everything inside. It comes with very roomy side pockets and a protective vinyl lining. However, the hook is rather flimsy. At number 9, with multiple pockets to fill, the Bago shower bag makes it a breeze to give everything a designated place. It comes in an array of snazzy colors and is made from a waterproof ripstop nylon that's simple to keep clean and dries quickly. It's equipped with smooth zippers and fits in most carry-on bags, but the top flap doesn't open up all the way. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the 4Kits hanging sports a convenient design that rolls up for compact travel. It boasts 4 detachable pouches for keeping makeup, face wash, toothbrushes and other essentials separated. Plus, the see-through plastic provides clear visibility for TSA security. It's got 2 carrying handles and comes in a gender-neutral color. However, the Velcro strips are a bit weak. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for toiletry organizers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, built to last, the ProCase TB01 is crafted from a durable nylon that's also resistant to water. Its main interior area offers 10 mesh pockets, and the side compartments zip completely open for convenient access to your toothbrush or cosmetics. It's lightweight at under 4 ounces, with elastic loops to hold items in place, but the hanging hook is too small. Moving up our list to number 6. The NeatPack TBM03 offers a simple way to travel without too much bulk. It's thoughtfully designed to provide just enough space for all of your essentials, including a roomy main compartment that can hold full-size bottles, so you can take along those favorite products. It's equipped with an extra-large swivel hook and quality stitching throughout. However, the zipper opens on its own sometimes. Halfway up our list at number 5, with a slew of pockets that are spread across 3 separate compartments. The Amazon Basics hanging kit has the capacity to carry and provide easy access to a myriad of personal hygiene products. Plus, its hook conveniently tucks away if not in use. It folds flat when empty for storage, and the sturdy construction holds up well. It's large enough for 2 people's stuff. At number 4, the Fisher's Finery Expert is the perfect travel companion for those constantly on the go. It has a clever layout with clear windows that make it easy to see everything at a glance. Plus, a bottom nylon loop allows it to be neatly folded up while hanging. It features expandable pouches for larger items, an anti-slip hook with a rubber tip, and a durable and secure buckle. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, whether you're traveling for a week or a weekend, the Kiposi Org 003 has enough room to hold everything you need in a tidy manner. It can sit on a flat surface without tipping over and is designed to keep lotions, shampoos and similar liquids upright. This one's machine washable, with long pull tabs on the zippers and handy side and rear exterior pockets. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for toiletry organizers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, protect makeup and similar essentials from moisture using the Vagrees Dop Kit. Its intelligent design features a separate compartment for damp items, so you can toss a used face towel or wet toothbrush in there without fear it will damage your other belongings. It offers a lot of value at a low price, along with a clean and modern look. The bottom never leaks. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Ellis James Designs Train Case is a stylish and functional option for a weekend getaway, an extended trip abroad, or even for use as an everyday makeup bag. It has an elegant quilted exterior that provides padded protection for your supplies. It's equipped with 10 brush holders and is roomy enough for all beauty tools. It wipes clean easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for toiletry organizers, or simply click beneath this video.